everybody, I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct, and today I'm going to be showing you how to locate the serial number on your mobility scooter. It's very important to obtain the serial number for the unit so that you can order parts for your scooter. Every scooter is different and we need that serial number. It's very important. So we're going to start off going down the line and show you some different places where you can find a serial number. The first one is going to be the Pride Mobility GoGo ES2, the ES2 here. So the first thing I know about Pride Mobility is that their serial numbers to all their scooters are located on the seat frame. The seat post frame, I should say. And that is the part that the seat gets hooked into. So as you're going to see the Pride, the model, the year of manufacture, and this number here is the serial number. If you want to make it easy, just take a picture and send it to us. That way we have it. Next is the Pride ZT10. This one's a little bit harder to find. I'm going to have to take off the seat. It's the easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to move the charger and documents over here. I'm going to take off the seat. Again, just lift it straight up. And what we're going to have to do is pull back this battery shroud cover and just grab up underneath. And again, we're going to have to go even a little bit further. It really makes it easy if you have your user manual, because there's going to be a sticker on the inside of your Pride Mobility user manual. So I'm going to have to take out a battery here to show you the serial number. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, there's that Pride Mobility sticker again. So just make sure you get those numbers. And for this one here, it's going to be the one that begins with the S and again ends in FV0. That's on most of Pride Mobility scooters. So I'm going to put this one back together. So this is the manual I spoke of. There's the serial number. I'm not going to describe which unit this is for. I was just giving you an example. But that's your owner's manual, and you'll find stickers. Sometimes they'll place it on the front cover, but there is going to be a sticker somewhere on the front, the back, or the inside covers. All right, this unit here by EV Rider the serial number is going to be located right on the floor. You're going to see the sticker. It's really exposed. In my opinion, I would have placed it underneath the carpet. But moving on to another folding scooter is our top selling scooter. And that's the Solax Transformer. Easy spot too. Just lift up the battery pack and you're going to find the sticker. That's going to be the serial number. And now we're going to move on back over to the line here. This is the Drive Medical Bobcat. And Drive, they usually use a single sticker, and it's going to be visible to it. So if you look on the shroud, you're going to see several stickers. There's only one sticker with the one serial number, and it's located right here. Now it may vary where the sticker may be on the unit. So I know for a Ventura, they usually place it down on the bottom of the frame. You can barely see it, but still visible. And it's going to be this number here in the middle that starts with 01 in parentheses. Again, take a picture of it, send it to us. We'll be able to use that number. Next is the Golden Technologies Buzzaround series. And this one here, we're going to have to take off the seat and take out the battery pack. And the serial number is going to be located on the silver seat post, or the seat post sleeve. So it's going to be right here. That's going to be your serial number. It says, product, make, and serial number. You also have the serial number right here on the floorboard. Now is the companion, and I really like where Golden puts the companion. On the companion, it's easier to get to, even though it's a bigger scooter. The companions have the floor mat, and if you just lift up the floor mat, you're going to find plenty of information about your golden companion. Here's your model number and serial number again. Again, take a picture of it, send it on over to us. All right, guys, well, I've showed you a few models on where you can find your serial number to your scooter. I hope that this video helped, and to make sure to get that serial number because it's very important when buying parts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.